Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Telegram code SMS problem. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's say you're trying to log in and you cannot receive any SMS code. What are you going to do? So tap and hold on the Telegram app if you're using Android. So if you're using iOS, go ahead and find the app section and just tap on the offload app option. Okay. If you're using Android, in here, go ahead and find storage, clear cache, and then once done, clear data. And after that, go ahead and open up Telegram, re-enter the phone number, and check if it helps. Now, if that won't work, make sure that you select the correct country or region. For example, you live in the Philippines, well, go ahead and find the PH country code right here, which starts with +63. Okay. Let's say phone numbers added zeros in the first number, for example, 09166. Something like that. Well, do not include the other zero. Just gotta start typing +639, just like so, and then continue. Okay? Make sure that the number doesn't exceed with the number right here. Okay? This one is wrong. Make sure that it doesn't exceed. So when you click on it, and there will be an option in the next page that says resend SMS, and you will have the option as well to request a call. Well, go ahead and select that option, okay? Now, if selecting a call doesn't work as well, maybe you have signed in your Telegram account to another phone, okay? The code will be sent to that phone first or on your computer, so go ahead and check it out. Maybe you have the message on the other device. And also make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signals. And that's basically it. That's how you fix a Telegram code SMS problem. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.